Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your IONOS mail to Gmail using the easy method. This is a great way to see all your messages in one place without having to switch between different sites. Let's get into it. First, open your mail settings. The first step is to go into your main mail account where you want to see everything. You need to find the area where you can add new addresses. Open your Gmail and look for the small gear shape in the top corner for the session. Click on that gear and then pick the choice that says See All Settings to open the big menu. You have to be in the right menu so the computer knows you are ready to bring in mail from your outside account. Next, add a new account. You need to tell the computer that you have another mail address that you want to use here. Click on the tab at the top that says Accounts and Import. Look for the part that says Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on the link to add a new one. This opens a new window where you can type in your other address. It ensures you are starting the link for your project correctly. Next, type in your details. Now you are going to give the computer the secret keys it needs to go and grab your mail from the other place. Type in your full mail address and your secret password. You will also need to type in the name of the mail server, which is usually just pop.ionos.com for your setup. This is the most important part. By giving the right names and passwords, you are giving the computer permission to pick up your mail. It's the key step to making your messages show up in your main inbox. And that's pretty much it. To connect your mail in the latest version of these tools, you must first open your mail settings to find the right menu. Once there, you add a new account by typing in your address and your secret password. Then you type in the server details so the computer knows where to look for your messages. Finally, you save and finish the link to start seeing all your mail in one spot. This process acts like a bridge that carries your messages from one place to another. This straightforward plan makes sure your mail projects are easy to manage. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.